So I'm back with another review. This is my Palmetto State Armory Ar9 pistol. It has a 8-inch barrel with a 7-inch 2A ARMAMENT KEYMOD rail. And I've added the Strike Industries link angled grip and these emboss sights. Overall, this weapon feels very sturdy. I haven't had the chance to actually shoot this because I've been so busy. But overall, from reviews, Palmetto State Armory has a great reputation. So the gun came complete with everything that you see here except for the Strike Industries link grip and the emboss sights. But it came from the factory, the mag pull grip, the Shockwave CAC blade, and the ETS magazine. And I have several of those, and also the Glock factory 33 round magazines, and they both fit securely. There's no wobble at all. So it's a very great little package. PSA has their hybrid, 9mm bolt carrier group, and the mag release here is all aluminum, and it has, of course, the same features as a full-size AR-15 or an AR-15 pistol. Now, even though this is 9mm, you really don't need a dust cover or forward assist based upon how the brass of a 9mm shoots out, but it's nice that it has that feature. It makes it look a whole lot more complete. And the trigger pull is pretty light. It's very short and crisp for myself. Some will probably complain and say it's heavy, but oh well. So if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me, and thanks for watching.